Hey, here we are. It is August and we are still on Instagram. We're sticking with that theme because so many people are overwhelmed with their social media, and we really believe that if you're just new to it or it's been too much for you or just getting back into it, that if you stick with one platform and get it down where you have it as a habit, then you can go on to the next one. So we're staying with Instagram with a new highlight for you. It's actually called Highlights.
Yes, so Highlights is basically a fantastic way for viewers to come onto your page for the first time and get a quick glimpse of what your business is all about. They are at the top of your page and they're categories that you select, and they are your stories that don't expire in 24 hours and they live on your page infinitely. It's so much fun, and you can get creative with your categories and keep the exciting stories alive on your page longer.
Cool. So if you need help doing that, Farah's here to help you out. Give us a call.